Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to pay bills with SoFi Money. If you don't have a SoFi account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $25 after signing up and adding at least $10 to your account within 5 days. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Money tab. On the upper right part of this page, you will see several icons. Click on the Pay Bill icon. Now, select the company you would like to pay. You could search for it on the search bar, or locate for it on the Common Businesses section below. So in this example, I'll be paying my DTE energy bill. After selecting, enter the account number. Now, enter the billing amount. Then select the frequency, either one time or monthly. Also, you could add a memo, but it is just optional. After that, click on Next. Lastly, review the following information. After reviewing, and if everything looks good, click on the Pay button. That's how you pay bills with SoFi Money. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.